Welcome to our latest adventure as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gem villages nestled in the picturesque French countryside. In this video, we will be shining a spotlight on these lesser-known destinations, inviting you to explore off-the-beaten-path locations that exude charm and beauty. France is renowned for its iconic landmarks and bustling cities, but beyond the well-trodden tourist paths lie enchanting villages waiting to be discovered. Our focus today is to showcase the unique and captivating nature of these hidden gems, each offering a glimpse into the rich history and culture of rural France. Join us as we meander through cobblestone streets lined with quaint cottages, stroll past blooming flower gardens, and soak in the tranquil ambiance of these idyllic villages. From the rolling vineyards of Provence to the fairy-tale-like villages of Alsace, each destination holds its own story and allure just waiting to be explored. Get ready to be captivated by the beauty and authenticity of these hidden gem villages in France. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the secrets of these enchanting destinations that are sure to leave you spellbound. Charming Village 1, Saint-Emilion. Welcome to the enchanting village of Saint-Emilion, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Bordeaux wine region. This picturesque village is a true treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a must-visit destination for any traveler seeking an authentic French experience. Saint-Emilion holds the prestigious title of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, thanks to its well-preserved medieval architecture and rich cultural heritage. As you wander through the cobblestone streets lined with charming cafes and boutique shops, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time to a bygone era. One of the standout features of Saint-Emilion is its world-renowned vineyards, which produce some of the finest wines in the region. The rolling hillsides are adorned with lush vineyards, creating a stunning backdrop for leisurely walks and wine tastings. Immerse yourself in the local wine culture by visiting one of the many wineries in the area and sampling the exquisite wines that have put Saint-Emilion on the map. In addition to its wine culture, Saint-Emilion is steeped in history, with ancient churches, monasteries, and underground catacombs waiting to be explored. The architectural beauty of the village is truly captivating, with intricate carvings, towering spires, and charming stone buildings at every turn. Whether you're a history buff, a wine enthusiast, or simply a lover of beautiful landscapes, Saint-Emilion has something to offer everyone. Captivating Village 2, Eguisheim. Step into the enchanting world of Eguisheim, a captivating Alsatian village that will transport you to a fairy tale setting straight out of a storybook. Known for its colorful half-timbered houses, winding cobblestone streets, and vibrant floral displays, Eguisheim is a true gem waiting to be discovered. The Alsatian architectural style is on full display in Eguisheim, with its distinctive half-timbered houses adorned with colorful shutters and blooming window boxes. Each building tells a story of centuries-old craftsmanship and tradition, adding to the village's unique charm and character. As you meander through the narrow streets, you'll be greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors and textures that create a truly magical atmosphere. Eguisheim's quaint streets are a delight to explore, with hidden courtyards, cozy cafes, and artisanal shops beckoning you to linger a little longer. The village exudes a warm and welcoming ambiance, inviting you to immerse yourself in its rich cultural heritage and local traditions. From wine festivals to traditional Alsatian cuisine, Eguisheim offers a glimpse into the heart and soul of Alsace, where history and modernity blend seamlessly to create a truly unforgettable experience. Enchanting Village 3, Rocamadour. Prepare to be spellbound by the enchanting beauty of Rocamadour, a cliffside village that seems to defy gravity as it clings to the rugged cliffs overlooking the Alsace Canyon. This medieval marvel is not just a village, but a living piece of history, where every stone tells a story of faith, pilgrimage, and architectural ingenuity. Rocamadour's dramatic setting is nothing short of awe-inspiring, with its tiered layers of buildings seemingly stacked on top of each other, leading up to the majestic sanctuary perched at the summit. As you wind your way up the steep cobblestone paths, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the lush green valley below, creating a sense of wonder and reverence for this sacred place. The village of Rocamadour is steeped in religious significance, drawing pilgrims from far and wide to visit its revered shrines and chapels. The Black Madonna statue housed in the Notre Dame Chapel is a focal point of devotion, believed to possess miraculous powers and healing properties. Explore the intricate carvings, frescoes, and stained glass windows that adorn the religious sites, each a testament to the village's spiritual heritage. Rocamadour's unique architecture, with its honey-colored stone buildings and narrow alleyways, is a sight to behold. The blend of medieval and Renaissance styles creates a harmonious blend of old-world charm and timeless elegance, making Rocamadour a true architectural gem. Whether you're drawn to the religious sites, the stunning views, or the rich history of this cliffside village, Rocamadour promises an unforgettable journey through time and faith. As we come to the end of our journey exploring hidden gem villages in the French countryside, we hope you've been captivated by the beauty, charm, and cultural richness of these lesser-known destinations. From the vineyards of Saint-Emilion to the colorful streets of Aiguisheim and the cliffside marvel of Rocamadour, each village we visited has left an indelible mark on our hearts and minds. Saint-Emilion's UNESCO World Heritage status, Aiguisheim's Alsatian architectural style, and Rocamadour's dramatic cliffside setting are just a few of the highlights that make these villages truly special. We encourage you to seek out hidden gem destinations like these for a unique and authentic travel experience that goes beyond the typical tourist hotspots. If you've enjoyed this journey through the hidden gem villages of France, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you more inspiring travel content and uncover hidden treasures around the world. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we look forward to exploring more hidden gems with you in the future. Happy travels!